So today I am going to discuss pseudo-halide ions and pseudo-halogens. Certain uninegative groups consisting of two or more atoms of which at least one is nitrogen is called pseudo-halide ions. They show similarity to halide ions in both their ionic and covalent compounds. Examples of pseudo-halide ions are cyanide ion, thiocyanate ion, cyanate ion and azide ion. Cyanide ion is represented by Cn minus, thiocyanate is represented by Sc minus, cyanate is represented by OCN minus and azide is represented by N3 minus. The corresponding dimers having no charge of these pseudo-halide ions are called pseudo-halogens. So if we have Cn minus as a pseudo-halide ion, if we take Cn whole 2, that is the dimer of cyanide, we call it cyanogen. So cyanogen is a pseudo-halogen. SCN whole 2, thiocyanogen. This is another example of pseudo-halogen. OCN whole 2, oxycyanogen. These are all examples of pseudo-halogens. They are the dimers of pseudo-halide ions. Some other pseudo-halide ions are as follows. SCCN minus selenocyanate ion, NC minus isocyanide ion, ONC minus fulminate ion, NCS minus isothiocyanate ion, TECN minus tellurocyanate ion, SCSN3 minus azido carbon disulfide ion. Some other pseudo-halogens are selenocyanogen, SCCN whole 2, tellurocyanogene, TECN whole 2, azido carbon disulfide, SCSN3 whole 2, oxycyanogen, OCN minus, OCN whole 2. Best known pseudo-halide ion is cyanide ion. It resembles with chloride, bromide and iodide. Some of the pseudo-halogen compounds are cyanogen chloride CnCl, cyanogen bromide CnBr. Formate ion is not a pseudo-halide ion. HCOO minus is not a pseudo-halide ion. There are some inter-pseudo-halogen compounds like Cn, SCN, Cn, SCCN. Oxoacids of halogens. Fluorine forms only one oxoacid, that is HOF, that is fluoric 1 acid or hypofluorous acid. It forms only one oxoacid due to small size and high electronegativity. Chlorine, bromine, iodine forms several oxoacids. The oxoacids of chlorine, bromine, iodine cannot be isolated in pure state. They are stable only in aqueous solution in the form of their salts. Oxoacids of chlorine: HOCl, HOClO, HOClO2, HOClO3. HOCl is called hypochlorous acid. HOClO or HClO2 is called chlorous acid. HOClO2 or HClO3 is called chloric acid. HOClO3 or HClO4 is called perchloric acid. As the oxidation number of chlorine increases, the acidic nature also increases. So perchloric acid is the strongest, then chloric acid, then chlorous, and hypochlorous is the weakest. The oxoacids of bromine are HOBr, hypobromous acid, HOBrO2, bromic acid, HOBrO3, that is perbromic acid. Acidic character. SClO is less acidic than SClO2, SClO2 is less acidic than SClO3, SClO3 is less acidic than SClO4, that is perchloric acid. Thermal stability. SClO4 is the least thermally stable. is the maximum thermal has maximum thermal stability. The least thermal stability is possessed by HClO. Oxidizing power. HClO has maximum oxidizing power, then HClO2, then HClO3, then HClO4. The oxo acids are monobasic and forms one series of salts. With increasing oxygen content, and there is an increase in thermal stability and strength of acid, but decrease in oxidizing power. The acidic character of oxo acids are HClO is greater than HBRO, HBRO is greater than HIO, HClO2 is greater than HBRO2, HBRO2 greater than HIO2, HClO3 greater than HBRO3, HBRO3 greater than HIO3, HClO4 greater than HBRO4 greater than HIO4. The acidic strength of oxo acids having the same oxidation number of the halogen atom decreases with increase in atomic number with decreasing electronegativity of the atom. Let us see the charge stabilization of the conjugate bases of the oxyacids of halogen. So charge stabilization of ClO is less than ClO2 minus, ClO2 is less than ClO3 minus, ClO3 minus is less than ClO4 minus. Basic strength. As we know, stronger is the acid, weaker is its conjugate base. So ClO minus will be the strongest base, followed by ClO2 minus, ClO3 minus, ClO4 minus. So ClO4 minus, that is perchlorate ion, is the weakest base, have the weakest basic strength. Order of tendency for disproportionation. So IO minus has greater tendency for BRO minus, greater tendency than ClO minus. Polyhalite ions. They contain more than 2 halogen atoms. Iodide aqueous reacts with iodine to form I3 minus. Some of the examples of polyhalide ions are I3 minus, ICl2 minus, IBrF minus, I5 minus, ICl4 minus, BrF4 minus. Formation of I3 minus ion is responsible for increased solubility of I2 in water in presence of Ki. That means the solubility of I2 increases in presence of water if Ki is added, because Ki reacts with I2 to form I3 minus, that is a polyhalide ion. They are stable crystalline ionic solid and they are diamagnetic in nature. Trihalide cations I3 plus, ICl2 plus, BrF2 plus, IBr2 plus, they have angular shape and they are sp3 hybridized. Pentahalide cations IF4 plus, ClF4 plus, BrF4 plus, they have seesaw shape, they are sp3 hybridized. Count total number of lone pairs of electron in I3 minus. If we see the structure of I3 minus, it has 3 lone pair and 2 bond pairs. If we count the total number of lone pairs, we see that the central iodine has 3 lone pair, whereas the extreme iodine also have 3 lone pairs. So the total lone pairs in this molecule is 9 lone pair. There are 22 electrons total. 4 electrons are involved in forming 2 covalent bonds. So 2 bond pairs and 3 lone pairs in the central iodine, and overall 9 lone pairs are present in this polyhalide ion, that is I3 minus. NaCl reacts with A to give NaNO3 plus B plus Cl2 plus water. B reacts further with oxygen to form C plus chlorine. C reacts with oxygen plus 2H2O means water to give A. We have to identify what is A, B and C. So here NaCl reacts with nitric acid to form sodium nitrate plus nitrosyl chloride plus chlorine plus water. So here A is nitric acid, B is nitrosyl chloride NOCl. Here B, NOCl reacts with oxygen to form nitrogen dioxide plus chlorine. So here B is NOCl and C is NO2. When NO2 is treated with oxygen and water, it forms A, that is nitric acid. So A is nitric acid, B is nitrosyl chloride and C is nitrogen dioxide. So the correct answer for this is HNO3, NOCl, NO2. In the reaction 3Br2 plus 6CO32 minus plus 3H2O gives 5Br minus plus BrO3 minus plus 6SCO3 minus. Bromine is oxidized and carbonate is reduced. Bromine is both oxidized and reduced. Bromine is reduced and water is oxidized. Bromine is neither oxidized nor reduced. So if we see this reaction, bromine on the left hand side is in zero oxidation state. On the right hand side it is in -1 as well as in +5 state. So 0 to -1 that means it is reduction and 0 to +5 that means oxidation. So bromine is both oxidized and reduced. So the correct choice is B. MgClO4 whole twice is called anhydrone. KClO3 is called Berthelot salt. KHF2 is called Firming salt. Cl2, the mixture of Cl2 and Cl2O is called euchlorine. CCl3NO2 is called tear gas. Cl2 is called oxymuriatic acid gas. Seaweeds are important source of iodine. HF is not kept inside glass bottle as it reacts with glass. Which of the following species is not a pseudohalide? CNO minus is a pseudohalide, OCN minus is a pseudohalide, N3 minus also written as NNN minus is a pseudohalide. So the correct choice is RCOO minus is not a pseudohalide. Which of the following contains iodine? Iodex, seaweeds, tincture of iodine, all. All. Iodex, seaweeds, tincture of iodine, all contains iodine. Tincture of iodine is used as an antiseptic. It is a 2 to 3% solution of iodine in alcohol water mixture. Seaweeds are the source of iodine. Iodex also contains iodine. HClO4 reacts with P2O5 to give A plus B. A and B are HClO3 H3PO4, Cl2O6 HPO3, ClO2 H3PO4, Cl2O7 HPO3. As we know, P2O5 is a dehydrating agent, so it reacts with perchloric acid to form Cl2O7, that is the anhydride of HClO4 plus 2HPO3. So the correct choice is D. Iodine reacts with hypo to give. So if we see the reaction of iodine with hypo, that means sodium thiosulfate, Na sodium iodide plus sodium tetrathionate is formed. So the reaction is I2 plus 2 Na2S2O3 gives 2 NaI plus Na2S4O6. So the correct choice is A and C. This is more than one correct choice question. Chlorine reacts with hot aqueous NaOH to give. So as we know, chlorine reacts with cold and dilute NaOH to give NaCl, NaClO plus water. But with hot and concentrated NaOH, it forms NaCl, NaClO3 plus water. So the correct choice is A, B, NaCl, NaClO3. Consider the following reagent: acidified potassium dichromate, alkaline KMnO4, copper sulfate, hydrogen peroxide, chlorine, ozone, FeCl3, nitric acid, sodium thiosulfate. The total number of reagents that can oxidize aqueous iodide to iodine is. So total reagents given are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Out of 9, 7 actually oxidize iodide ion to iodine. Only alkaline KMnO4 oxidizes iodide to IO3 minus, and sodium thiosulfate does not oxidize iodide ion to iodine. So total number of reagents which can oxidize iodide ion to iodine is 7. Which of the following compound is not possible? As we know, IF7, IF5, ClF3 all are possible, but FCl3 is not possible. Fluorine cannot form trichloride, as fluorine only oxidation state is -1, so it cannot have a positive oxidation state of +3. So FCl3 is not possible. Which of the following group 17 element does not show positive oxidation state? As we know, fluorine always shows -1 oxidation state. So this is the correct answer. Iodine, bromine, chlorine can show -1, +1, +3, +4, +5, +7. -1, +1, +3, +5, +7. These are the oxidation states shown by chlorine, bromine, iodine. But fluorine is restricted to an oxidation state of -1. So the correct choice is D. The most basic among the following is chloride ion, bromide ion, fluoride ion, iodide. So the correct choice is fluoride ion. As we know, HF is the weakest acid, so a weakest acid has the strongest conjugate base. So HF is the weakest acid, so F minus is the most basic among these. HI is the strongest acid, so iodide ion is the weakest conjugate base. So the correct answer is fluoride ion. C. Euchlorine is A. Obtained by heating perchlorate with ConCaCl, a chloride of europium, a mixture of Cl2 and Cl2O7, a mixture of Cl2 and ClO2. So a mixture of Cl2 and ClO2 is called euchlorine. It is obtained by treating KClO3 with hydrochloric acid. So we get KCl plus ClO2 plus Cl2 plus water. So ClO2 plus Cl2 mixture is called euchlorine. Fluorine does not have vacant d orbital in its valence shell, therefore it does not combine with fluoride ion to form polyfluoride ion like chlorine does, bromine does, iodine does. So chlorine forms Cl3 minus, bromine forms Br3 minus, iodine forms I3 minus, I5 minus, etc. This ability is not possessed by fluorine because of the absence of vacant d orbital in its valence shell. OF2, Cl2O, Br2O, they all are sp3 hybridized. Bond angle increases with increase in size of halogen atom. If we see FOF bond, it is 103 degree. If we see ClO-Cl bond, it is 105 degree. If we see BrO-Br bond, then it is 110. So the bond angle increases with increase in size of halogen atom.